Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I'm opening some friend mail. Yep, I got some friend mail from, it looks like a TV station, so I'm not sure what this is. It's from ZOX FM 620. So I'm really curious to see what this is. So, yeah. See? ZOX, ZOX. Put in the comments if somebody you know is from ZOX. If you have a feeling you know what this is, put in the comments already. Okay, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be happy or confused. Oh, it says, thank you for participating in the Cardinal event. I appreciate your friendship, Nancy. May you always look to collect the happy moments and continue to sparkle like you do. Love, Jeannie Bushnell. Oh my goodness. Ooh, what is it? It's not I don't think it is a radio station, but let me see. Collect the happy moments. When we recognize just how short our time here really is, we learn to gather the tiny seeds of happiness in each and every moment. A life full of happy moments then become the garden that grows even after we're gone. ZOX. Ooh. Changing the world with kind words. Oh, this is nice. It's just it looks like it's just a bracelet. Aw, that's nice. Thank you, Jeannie. I think it's just a bracelet. Jeannie, if this is not a bracelet, let me know that I'm a fool and got it wrong. But I'm pretty sure it's a bracelet. Thank you so much. So if I go to zox.co, I can get 25% off your first order. Nice. Thank you so much, Jeannie M. Bushnell. If you haven't checked out her channel, go do so. She just did a Cardinal event, and I got to do my Cardinal, and I'm so excited for this. Thank you so much. I like it. That's what I have today. Just a quick unboxing of friend mail. Thank you, Jeannie. And remember, be kind.